you got me falling from the ceiling for you. Knew right from the start there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
Alright y'all, so today is Thursday and hold on, let me close. Y'all be seeing the glare in the back of my videos. It be so annoying, I know. But anyways, today's Thursday and I got some stuff to do today. I don't know what I'm gonna title this. I think I'm gonna do fall weekend reset, fall reset, even though it's not the weekend. I don't know, something like that. But y'all are gonna see what I put. But yeah, today is Thursday and I got some stuff to get done today. If y'all cannot tell, your girl is sick. Like, I am sick and I've been sick for like the past 2-3 days. I don't even know, but I just been sick like really bad. Like, honestly, I get sick often, but I don't remember last time that I've been sick and like this bad. We're gonna make the best out of it because yeah. But anyways, what do I gotta do today? I have to wash my sheets first of all. Just productive stuff. Like, I gotta wash my sheets and then yeah. So today I'm just gonna be disinfecting everything around me, my room. I'm gonna be washing my sheets. Let me stop yapping. Yeah, we gotta go put my sheets and pillowcases and everything that I need to wash in the washer, and then probably come back up and just clean some stuff, disinfect, yeah, all that.
You can't even sit in peace, 'cause all of these niggas be on.
Put my sheets and everything in the washer to realize that there's no laundry detergent. So now, I just kept them in there, but I'm gonna wait. Well, there's laundry detergent, but there's not enough. I like to use a lot of laundry detergent, and there's only like about 1 can full of laundry detergent, and that don't do it for me. So later, probably gotta run to the store and get some of that. But I'm about to just clean my room now, so it really don't matter because I was gonna clean my room anyway. But I'm about to disinfect, clean, because this sickness just needs to go away. Like, I'm about fed up with it. If you know me, you know when I'm sick, I'm just not in the mood. I'm just lazy. Like, I just don't like being sick. I really don't like being sick because then I just feel like unproductive. Like, I just can't get up. Now I'm about to start cleaning my room. This is what you need, okay? Ooh, I caught it. But this is what you need, okay? Spray this everywhere. All right.
I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you.
I'm gonna take these and just like wipe down every surface in my room. Like every hardtop surface that I have, I'm just gonna use these to wipe them down.
Waste your time with me. You could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it, baby. Don't close your eyes to get away. Bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. All I'm drinking is champagne. All you want is the same thing. If you're gonna waste your time, then waste your time with me. You can have all the
set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely, alone. Breathing slowly when you know me. Yeah, meditate. You can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me. Yeah. Lay your head on my pillow, touch is making me feel wet.
Alright, y'all, so my room is clean now. It's smelling real good in here. I'm feeling very good. That gave me a boost of energy, you know? It made me feel real good. Like, it looked good in here. It's nice and clean, smell good. I'm just waiting for my sheets to come out the dryer. I mean, the washer. But yeah, besides that, it's looking real good in here. And I'm so proud of myself. Like, honestly, sometimes, if you're like... Honestly, sometimes if you're feeling unmotivated and just like don't want to do anything, get up and clean, because I promise you it's just gonna make you feel so much better. Like, your environment's gonna be cleaner. It's just gonna make you feel so much better. I feel amazing now. I'm gonna just show y'all my little like smell good setup. This is my setup. I definitely need to get the collection up, but I got a lot of stuff, I ain't gonna lie. I just kind of like organized it and everything. This is clean. Don't mind my bundles over there, y'all. I had washed them, so I had to hang them up. But yeah, this all clean. Okay. All right, so now we about to pick a scent, because every day I pick a scent to spray in my room so that I could smell it on my sheets. And yeah, so I think we're gonna do, I'm feeling watermelon lemonade. Oh my god, y'all, tell me why I used to wear this to school. And this one time, some girl, I had put on a lot of it one time, and some girl was like, who is that smelling like a granny? I said, oh my god, I hope she not talking about me. But you know what, I didn't even say anything. I just walked by and didn't say nothing, because that's embarrassing, and I never wore it to school again. But I'm still weird, because that smell good. But it do give granny though, I ain't gonna lie.
On you, I'm just saying I can be, yeah, one that you call and you talk to, girl. I'll share my world with you. If you're gonna waste your time, yeah, then waste your time with me. I mean, honestly, open your eyes and see. If you're gonna waste your time, what you need, then waste your time with me. Could have all the space, all that you need. There's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it, baby. Don't close your eyes to get away. Bang my line and I'll arrange it. Beautiful, girl, you're stainless. You'll be fine, I'll be painless, yeah. I'm drinking the champagne.
Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely, alone. Getting slowly when you know me. Yeah, meditate. You can take me to a place where we can't be all alone. I let you hold me, 'cause you know me. Yeah. Lay your head on my pillow, touch is making me feel way. When I get around you, I lose it. Lose it. 'Cause I feel so comfortable with you. You make me comfortable with you. I feel so comfortable.
Alright, y'all, so now I'm about to head to the store. It's some stuff that I gotta get. I just gotta go grocery shopping for some food, I guess. I don't really know. My mom's going.
It's no pressure, girl. If you got time to waste it with me.
Set the tone when it's just me and you alone. Never lonely, alone. Getting slowly when you know me. Yeah, meditate. You can take me to a place where we can't